आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे पार्ट 2, ठीक है, प्रोडक्शन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन का। ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं। हेलो, जस्ट बिफोर यूज ए फ्रेश ग्राइंडिंग व्हील नीड्स विच इज नीड फॉर बैलेंसिंग, टर्निंग एंड ड्रेसिंग, hence all of the above. Wheel load reduce, which reduce MRR. Wheel loading reduce MR from the workpiece. Which of the following operation is used for grinding a flat surface, which is surface grinding? Grinding is done for, which is done for surface finishing और dimensional accuracy, form accuracy। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। Hence all of the above is correct. For grinding operation, grinding wheel always, which is always, rotates. In all grinding machines, grinding wheel is mounted on their spindle. What is the alloy of cobalt, chromium and tungsten used for manufacturing of tool bit known as, which is known as satellite? Turning is done on which type of surface, which is a cylindrical surface? In milling, the saddle consists of two slide way, one on the top and one in the on the bottom, located at dash to each other, which is 90 degree. In which machining process does a rotary cutter wheel with several cutting edges arranged on the periphery of the cutter play a key role, which is a milling? Plain milling of mild steel plate produce, which will be produce the regular shaped discontinuous chip. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। एक्सपेरिमेंटल डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ चिप टूल इंटरफेस temperature is not possible by radioactive method. The most widely used material in drill tapes and rammers is, which is high speed steel. Which component of crane restrict tipping, which is the counterweight? Which of the following component is responsible for lifting a hydraulic crane, which is a boom? Consider the following. The purpose lapping process is to produce geometrical true surface, the correct manner surface in perfection to improve dimensional accuracy, to provide very close fit between the contact surfaces. All statement is correct. Which of the following methods are gear generation process? Gear shaping, gear hopping, gear milling. Hence, 1 and 2 is correct statement. Among the following machining process which can be used for machining flat surface: shaping, milling, broaching. Hence 1, 2, 3 is correct. Which machining process are used for gear manufacturing? Form milling, broaching, roll forming, hopping. Hence 1, 2 and 4 is correct. Which of the following are the advantage of the hydraulic shaper for a mechanically drive shaper? First, more stroke per minute can be obtained. Get a given cutting speed. The cutting stroke has a definite stopping point. It is simpler in construction. Cutting speed is constant throughout the of the cutting stroke. Hence, correct answer is the correct student 1 and 4. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। Which of the following of motions are needed for spot gear cutting with hub? Rotary motion of hub, linear axial reciprocatory motion of hub, rotary motion of gear blank, radial advancement of hub. Hence 1, 3rd and 4th is correct. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। अरेंज द फॉलोइंग स्टेप ऑफ टर्निंग ऑपरेशन ऑफ ए लेथ इन ए करेक्ट फर्स्ट टू लास्ट। The job is held between centers or in a jung. The tool is moved longitudinally toward the headstock to give feed. The job is rotated at the desired and given a proper depth of cut in radial direction. This radius the diameter for desired length of job. Hence, first statement, firstly the job is held between center or in a jung, and then the job is rotated at the desired and given a proper depth of cut in radial direction. Then after the tool is moved longitudinally towards headstock to give a feed, and then these reduce the diameter of the desired length of job. Okay. Next question, they arrange the following parts of center lathe machine from the top to bottom: tray, lathe, screw rod, tool post. Hence third, then second, and then first. Which of the following pair is correctly matched regarding the lathe machine part? First, headstock, it can slide along the guide way provided on the bed. Tailstock, it is fixed at the extreme left hand of the bed. Hence, neither 1 and 2 is correct. The efforts of setting a boring tool above center height leads to a decrease in effective rack angle and an increase in effective clearance angle. The process of removal of peripheral material, a brown steel bar, on a lathe machine using a single point cutting tool is known as bridge turning. Hobbing, a process of manufacturing gear, cannot be used to manufacture, which is the bevel gears. In abrasive jet machining process, the main mechanism for material removal takes place due to which is the mechanical impact. The quality of surface producing during the machine will depend upon which of the following parameter, which is a tool geometry and feed rate, hence both A and B. As per Indian standard, grain size 46 in the grinding will become more which category, which is a medium. What is the formula used to find taper angle by tail stock offset method, which is the set over d minus d into L by 2L. Circumference of workpiece is to be divided into 16 equal division using simple indexing method having 4 warm wheel teeth indexing movement will be which is a 12 holes and 8 hole circles. Which of the following is essential for curling operation, which is the slowest speed and penalty of oil is used. The advantage of turret lathe is which is the large number of operation can be performed simultaneously. Several tools are set on revolved turret to perform large number of operation. Wastage of time is minimum, hence all of the above. Highest grinding temperature causes which is the dimensional inaccuracy, increase the chance of wheel loading, rapid bulting of grid tips, hence all of the above. Which of the following statement is correct? The correct statement is the all statement is correct. The center line of headstock parallel to the guideway, and next correct statement is a headstock support the main spindle headstock involve necessary transmission mechanism. Hence, all of the above is correct. To mill a convex surface of a circular contour with a concave milling cutter. In advanced grinding technology, the super abrasive refers to which is a cubic boron nitrides and diamond. External centerless grinding is employed for finishing, which is finishing rod type job. Consider a grinding wheel and a regulating wheel in regarding to the centerless grinding machine working principle. The dash is the greater diameter and has a high rotational speed, whereas the dash is the smaller diameter and has a low speed. Character grinding wheel and regulating wheel. Balancing of grinding wheel is done to which is done to obtain the good surface finish, prevent vibration, avoid undue wear in machine part. Hence all of the options. Normal rack and orthogonal rack of turning tool will be same when it is a lambda is equal to 0. Which of the following tools material has the ability to maintain its hardness even at elevated temperature, thus being suitable for high speed cutting operation, which is high speed steel. For performing a lathe operation, single point cutting tool is required in the store. Only one single point cutting tool is available, which have tool signature is 0768 15 16 0.8. Each of these 7 numbers of represent specific tool element angles. From the option given below, choose the name of the tool element angle represented by 0.8. Correct answer is the noise radius. Consider the following part: grinding wheel, brake lining, self lubrication, bearing health. All the statement is correct. Which of the following tool is not used in pouring operation, which is the auger? A face milling operation is carried out with a 100 mm diameter milling cutter having 4 teeth and a spindle speed of 300 rpm with a fat per tooth is 0.125 mm. What is the table feet in mm per minute, which is the 150 mm per minute? It is required to cut screw thread of 2 mm pitch on a lathe. The lead screw has a pitch of 6 mm. If the spindle speed is 60 rpm, then the speed of lead screw will be dash, which is the 20 rpm. कैसे निकालेंगे? ठीक है, देखिए P1 आपको 2 mm दे, P2 देगा 6 mm, N2 देगा 60 rpm, N1 पूछ रहा है स्पीड ऑफ लीड स्क्रू, स्पिंडल स्पीड इनटू पिच कट इन द लेंथ डिवाइड बाय लीड स्क्रू एज ए पिच. तो वैल्यू रख के आपका 20 MP आ जाएगा, RPM आ जाएगा, ठीक है। ए होल ऑफ 20 mm diameter is to be drilled in a steel block of 40 mm thickness. The rotation speed of drill is 50 RPM, 500 RPM, sorry, and the fed rate is 0.1 mm per revolution. The required approach length of drill point and overrun the drill together is equal to 1.5 times the radius of the drill. What will be the drill time, which is the कैसे निकालते हैं, T is equal to L upon Fn. आपको D दे रखा हुआ 20 mm, T देखा 40 mm and 500 RPM, स्मॉल f दे रखा है 0.1 mm पर रेवोल्यूशन, L 1.5, R प्लस T होता है, यहाँ से L की वैल्यू 55 mm, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे L अपन स्मॉल एफ एन रख के 66 सेकेंड आ जाएगा, ठीक है। द पर्पज ऑफ बोरिंग operation in relation to a drill operation is to which enlarge or drill hole. The process of removing irregular portion of a stone and facilitating their easy transportation is known as which is dressing. Core print are provided. Correct answer is the in pattern. The metallic support often kept inside the mold cavity support the core is called which called chaplets. Slag inclusion is cost is the internal defect. Which process is commonly used for making component of thermoplastic material which is injection molding? The following tool is used for packing the sand in the mold which is a rammer. The following is not true for precision investment casting process which is a complex shapes are not possible. The main purpose of chaplet is which is a, to support or core. Sorry, core. ठीक है. Natural sand is used in the molding sand casting mainly because it is the cheap. Injection molding is the ideal method of processing which is the thermoplastic. In casting process core are used to which make desired races is cast. The main constituents of green sand are which is a silica sand, clay dust, carbon and water. Poor machinability of centrifugal cast iron pipe is due to which is sealing. The product of cupola is known as which is for cast iron. Correlated is the statement given below using code. Casting have the strength, durability and toughness equal in all direction. Gun barrel, cylinder liner and piston rings are cast, which is first is correct, but second is correct, but first is not correct. Ornamental are cast by which called by pre-stress casting. In centrifugal casting, the lighter impurities are which is the collected at the center of casting. The method used for obtaining casting of high density and high purity is which is the centrifugal casting. Select the correct statement from the following, which is the chilled cast iron has no graphite. Casting and welding defects are which is the volume defects. In the full mold cavity less casting process, the pattern is made of which is a expanded polystyrene. Which one of the following is not a property of sand mold, which is a fluidity? A hot spot in sand cast is caused by which is caused by the higher concentration of metal in the joint. The largest amount of shrinkage occurs during which is shrinkage, cooling and casting. To improve the surface finishing and sand casting, the following is applied to the mold cavity which is a facing sand. Pattern used in cell molding is normally made of which is made up of metal. The type of binder that is commonly used in cell molding is which is the thermostatics resin. The portion of the part to be machined to the casting is marked with which is a red color. Addition of sawdust in molding sand increase it which is a gas permeability. Coining is the operation of which is often a cold pouring. Which of the following is a gating system component is to most critical that control the rate of entry of metal into mold which is a spray. Which type of casting is best situated for producing indirect design and detailed pattern in mass production and die casting? Provenance rules relate the solidification time cast to which is the ratio of the square of volume of the casting to its surface area. The binder that is more commonly used in core sand is which is a linseed oil. Metal is fed into the casting cavity by the ladle. Chillers are placed in disciplined mold cavity. Which of the following is not sand used in casting process, which is leak sand? Dash requires the less proportion of binder, which is the synthetic sand. Which cast iron has the ability to reduce vibration and tool shattering in machine tool, which is a gray cast iron? Which one of the following is scab, which is the sand casting defect? Which of the following process is not used to remove the corrodes for finished casting, which is a melting? Machining properties of steel are improved by adding, which is a sulfur lead phosphorus. Misrun is a casting defect which occurs due to insufficient fluidity of the molten metal. Dash casting is a type of permanent casting process which is slush. Codling is the process used for converting pig iron or wrought iron. Investment casting use pattern made of which is a wax. Draft is pattern for casting is which is casting for taper to facilitate its removal from mold. Which of the following is a not die accessories, which is the stops? Arrange the following steps in a correct order, first to last of green sand molding, making the mold, closing the weight, core setting, preparation of the pattern. So firstly preparation of the pattern, then making the mold, and then after the coring setting, the closing the weight. Hence option B is correct. Which of the following is option is not a factor of selection of material making pattern in sand casting? तो ह्यूमिडिटी एंड एवेडमेंट टेम्परेचर इज नहीं है. ठीक है. Dimension of solidification factor used in casting and calculate solidification time is which is a TL की पावर -2. ठीक है. कैसे T इज इक्वल टू के अपन V बाई A का होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है. तो T सेकेंड में होता है, K कांस्टेंट है, मीटर वॉल्यूम का मीटर से की पावर 6 होगा क्योंकि क्यूब होता है तो स्क्वायर करने पर 6. ठीक है. एरिया का स्क्वायर होता है 4. ठीक है. यहाँ से आपका आ जाएगा TL की पावर -2. ठीक है. के की यूनिट आ जाएगा सेकंड पर मीटर स्क्वायर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्ट अबाउट द कास्टिंग, विच इज द कास्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट है यूनिफॉर्म मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टी टू यूनिफॉर्म कूलिंग. ये आपका नहीं है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. टोटल सॉलिडिफिकेशन टाइम इज डिफाइंड एज विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, विच इज द टाइम between pouring and the complete solidification. ठीक है. The casting defect which is proposed because of displacement of sand by liquid metal at the well region due to hydrostatic pressure is known as which is mold, shift and scab. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. In increase of water content in molding, sand causes which is permeability to go through a maxima. In a casting process, a horizontal channel through which molten metal flows from pouring basin to reach mold cavity is called runner. The advantage of providing a bottom gate in a sand casting is which is a smooth flow of metal into the mold cavity. In a dash of the molten metal is poured and allowed to solidify while the mold is revolving, which is the centrifugal casting method. Which casting process involves creating a wax pattern which is subsequently surrounded by a ceramic slurry to form a mold? Correct answer is the investment casting. When the furnace of sand increases, which is the bacterial efficiency increase, smelting of the process of which is the reducing the ore with carbon in the presence of flux. Which of the following holds true for function of steam bob in the casting process, which is the helping in trapping the impurities? Considering uniform cooling in all directions, find dimension of 90 mm cube after cooling down. Solidification shrinkage for the cast metal is 5%. ठीक है. तो डायमेंशन ए दिया हुआ 90 mm, वॉल्यूम बिफोर सॉलिडिफिकेशन P1 दिया है 90 इंटू 10⁻³ ठीक है. ये 90 इंटू 90 की पावर क्यूब. ठीक है. वॉल्यूम आफ्टर सॉलिडिफिकेशन 95%. तो ये आ जाएगा ये. ठीक है. तो हेंस फिर इसका साइड निकालने के लिए आपको निकाल 88.5. हेंस डी ऑप्शन ए इज ऑप्शन करेक्ट. A cylinder rises is to be designed for a steel plate casting of size 300 into 180 into 20 mm. The ratio of casting volume to rise volume is 5. Find the diameter of riser if the height and the diameter of riser are equal. Size of casting ये दे रखा है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ कास्टिंग आप निकाल लोगे, वॉल्यूम ऑफ कास्टिंग अपर वॉल्यूम ऑफ राइजर इक्वल टू 5 दे रखा है, ठीक है। तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ राइजर आप निकाल लेंगे इतना, ठीक है। डायमेंशन ऑफ राइजर निकालने के लिए वॉल्यूम इसके बराबर कर दोगे आप, ठीक है। तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा आपका डी इक्वल टू 65 mm। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वेल्डिंग का देखते हैं। इन MIG वेल्डिंग process metal inert gas welding, the metal is in transferred to the form of which is form of fine spray of metal. For gas welding, aluminum of the following flame is recommended natural. The thermite welding, iron oxide and aluminum oxide are mixed in the proportion of which is proportion 3:1. The major difficulty during welding of aluminum is mainly due to its which is high tendency of oxidation. Which of the following carbon steel is most weldable, which is a 0.15% steel? In which of the following welding process flux is fed separately, which is submerged arc welding? State polarity in arc welding is obtained with which is obtained direct current electrode with electrode being negative. In an arc welding process, welding speed is doubled. Assume all other parameters to be constant. The cross section area of the welding will be, ठीक है। तो मेल्टिंग डिपोजिशन रेट MDR इक्वल टू एरिया इंटू वेल्डिंग स्पीड A इंटू बी, ठीक है। तो अगर बाकी पैरामीटर कांस्टेंट है, ठीक है, तो V2 क्या हो रहा है 2V1 हो जा रहा है और A2 क्या हो जा रहा है A1/2, ठीक है। तो हेंस क्या हो जाएगा, ये क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया इंक्रीज बाय 50% हो जाएगा, ठीक है। हेंस आपका ऑप्शन डी हो जाएगा, इंक्रीज बाय, ठीक है। अगर स्पीड 2V हो जा रहा है तो ये इसके तो ये कट जाएगा तो आपका एरिया हाफ हो जाएगा, ठीक है। इसलिए डिक्रीज बाय 50%। इन ए लीनियर आर्क वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस द हीट इनपुट पर यूनिट लेंथ इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वेल्डिंग स्पीड, ठीक है। मैच द फॉलोइंग देखते हैं, ठीक है। तो गैस मेटल वेल्डिंग, कंज्यूमर इलेक्ट्रोड वायर होगा, और टंगस्टन इनर्ट गैस वेल्डिंग और इलेक्ट्रो स्लैग वेल्डिंग एक बार कंफर्म कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। ये ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। तो फ्रिक्शन वेल्डिंग, ज्वाइनिंग द ऑफ सिलेंडर डिसिमिलर मटेरियल, ठीक है। और नेक्स्ट आपको गैस वेल्डिंग है, ठीक है, सही है। टंगस्टन इनर्ट गैस वेल्डिंग विच इज द नॉन कंज्यूमर इलेक्ट्रोड स्लैग वेल्डिंग विच इज ज्वाइनिंग ऑफ थिक प्लेट, हेंस ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। अल्ट्रासोनिक वेल्डिंग इज बेस्ट सुटेबल फॉर विच इज फॉर ब्रिटल मटेरियल। In arc welding, I need to protect against which is infrared and ultraviolet rays. In MIG, metal, helium, and or argon is used in order to act as shielding medium. The temperature of plasma torch is of the following, which is a 33,000 degrees centigrade. Which welding method is preferable for gray cast iron, which is a gas plume welding? Brazing is the process used for joining two which is a two ferrous material. Spark erosion matching is the instantaneous temperature may reach as high as which is a 10,000 degrees centigrade. Which statement is not correct in respect of the welding transfer, which is the open circuit voltage is generally limited to 80 volt of the sake of safety. The metal powder used in thermite welding of steel, which is aluminum, related to welding process in increased order of their power density, which oxy-fuel welding is less than resistant welding is less than electrode beam welding. Which of the following gas cannot be used for shielding gas is tungsten inert gas welding process, which is oxygen. The solder is mostly composed of dash has a melting range of 150 to 350 degree, which is the lead and tin. Which of the following welding process has the highest power density, which is a laser beam welding? Welding can be classified into two groups, pressure process and fusion process. To now state that which one of the following welding process belong to the pressure process group of welding, which is the fork welding. The fuel gas that has highest flame temperature is the gas welding is acetylene. For welding thin workpiece of aluminum sheet, the following welding process preferred, which is the gas tungsten arc welding. This type of welding is most common in structural steel fabrication fillet weld. If the area of weld A permissible stress is the fillet sigma, then strength of fillet weld is which is a sigma. In the gas welding process, a natural flame contain dash and dash in equal to proportion, which is a oxygen acetylene. What is used to joining medium or brazing operation, which is copper zinc alloy. Thickness of chips is dash in the initial stage and dash at the end of the cut in dash milling process, which is the maximum, minimum, and climax. Weldability depends upon thermal conductivity, surface condition, change in microstructure. Hence, all the statement is correct. Two plates, each of 6 mm thickness, are to be butt welded. Consider the following process and select the correct sequence. Increase order of size of heat affected. Arc welding, MIG welding, laser beam welding, submerged arc welding. Hence, the first laser beam welding, then after the MIG welding, then after the submerged arc welding, then arc welding. Which of the following function is provided for convert or coated electrodes used in shielded metals? Arc welding, which is the add scavenger and deoxidizer of the weld, which is correct. Provide a sag blanket to protect the hot weld, which is correct. Provide gas shielding for the arc metal. A small variation of arc length at operating condition, the manual metal arc welding transfer provide nearly with a constant current. The electrodes used in arc welding are coated. This is not expected to, which is the prevent electrode from contamination. Preheating before welding is done, at which is prevent cold cracks. For butt welding, 40 mm thick steel plate, when the expected quality of each job is 5,000 per month over a period of 10 years, choose the best suitable welding process out of the following available alternative, which is SAW. With increased joint thickness, the tensile strength of brace joint, which is a first increase then decrease. Within the heat affected zone, HAZ, in the fusion welding process, the work material undergoes microstructural change but does not melt. Under the optimal condition of the process, the temperature experienced by copper work piece of fusion weld, brazing and soldering are such that which is a T welding is greater than T brazing is greater than T soldering. Identify the incorrect statement related to tungsten inert gas welding process out of the given option, which is a flux is used in this process. Which of the following is not a feature of weld feed deposited by arc welding, which is thermomechanical affected zone? Identify the odd process out of following, which is metal active gas welding. Which of the following is not a limitation of brazing, which is the brazing cannot join with thin weld part. In the dash, heat is obtained from the acetylene flame or from an electric arc passing between the electrode and the work, which is the fusion welding process. Which of the following cost is considered under direct cost in welding operation? Hence, cost of which is considered is the cost of welding electrode. Which of the following is false when we compare weld structure and cast iron structure? We say as compared with cast iron structure, the capacity of weld structure is damp vibration is better. Wrong. How can penetrate be improved in the welding process, which is lowering travel speed during the welding? How does the strength of the filler metal is in the brace joint change with increasing clearance? Hence, the strength increase then decrease. What is a welding bond? Which is the combination of adhesive bonding and spot welding. Yeah. Which of these joining processes associated with melting of the base metal, which is a termites thermite welding? Filler metal used in brazing less has a melting point which is above 427 degrees centigrade. Which of the following improved ability of the steel, which is a low carbon content and poor affinity to oxygen? Why is preheating necessary before welding high carbon steel to decrease the cooling rate after welding? Transmit welding utilize the heat liberate from the which is the chemical reaction between two components. Electroslag welding utilize the heat lubricate from which is resistant heating the slag in the point. In the gas welding, most common form of welding is oxygen acetylene welding. Select only one correct from the following option for selecting acetylene over other available gas which is the producer higher temperature than other gases. If the cross section of fillet weld consists of a right angled triangle having two equal sides, then dash is called a leg, say the length of each of the two equal sides. For dynamic loads, which of the following weld joint types is preferable due to its superior fatigue resistance, which is a butt weld? Due to which of the following reason welding is of stainless steel is difficult? Formation of oxide film. In arc welding, the length of arc should be equal to which is a electrode diameter. Which of the following the welding process does not consume electrode, which is GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding? The current in electric resistant welding can be regulated by which regulate changing the primary turns of the transformer. Identify the odd one of the respect to classification of welding process, which is a gas welding. Which of the following is not a terminology of friction stir welding, a solid state welding process, which is a electrode grade? Which of the following metal joint process uses a non-ferrous alloy in the liquid state between the pieces to be joined, which is a brazing? The strength of brazed joint, which is the decrease up to certain gap between the two joining surface beyond which is increased. The metal joint is never brought to molten stage in which is the pressure welding. As compared to the arc welding, the gas welding takes considerable more time for metal to heat up. In the gas welding process, the heat source is generated by combustion of which gas, which is the acetylene. What is a splitter in the context of brazing process, which is a filler material? A welding operation is time study during which an operator's was pace rated is 120%. The operator took on an average 8 minutes for producing the weld joint. If a total of 10% allowance are allowed for the operation, the expected standard production rate of the weld joint is, तो आर एफ 120% देगा 88 मिनट दे नॉर्मल टाइम इक्वल टू एक्चुअल टाइम इनटू रेटिंग फैक्टर टी नॉर्मल निकल जाएगा 9.6 मिनट, ठीक है. स्टैंडर्ड टाइप टी स्टैंडर्ड टी नॉर्मल डिवाइड बाई 1 माइनस 10/100, ठीक है. ठीक है, यहाँ से आ जाएगा आपका 9.6/0.9 10.67. स्टैंडर्ड प्रोडक्शन रेट 8 इंटू 60/10.67 इक्वल टू 45 यूनिट. ठीक है, यहाँ से आ जाएगा आपका ए ऑप्शन. A 50 mm diameter solid shaft is welded to a flat plate all around by fillet weld of 4 mm leg size as shown in figure. If the allowable shear stress of the weld material is 100 megapascal, the maximum approximate torque in Newton meter watt Newton meter that the weld joint can sustain under the pure tension is. ठीक है, तो D दिया 50 mm टॉर्क 100 मेगापास्कल, T 4 mm. तो ठीक है, टॉर्क T अपन √2 इंटू पाई डी स्क्वायर बाई 2 इंटू सीएच. ठीक है, तो T की वैल्यू 4 दिया हुआ अंडर √2 इंटू पाई डी की वैल्यू 50 का स्क्वायर बाई 2 टॉर्क 100. तो यहाँ से देगा 500 पाई बाई √2. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. द सिलेक्शन ऑफ नॉन ट्रेडिशनल मशीनिंग process for a particular application depending on which is depending upon physical perimeter and capability of the process safe to be machine economic, hence all of the above. The ultrasonic machine uses a oscillator that convert the 50 hertz power supply into high frequency power of the following range, which is a 30 kilohertz. The energy responsible to remove metal in EDM process is known as electrothermal energy. Laser stand for which stand for light amplification by stimulated emission or radiation. For machining ceramic glasses and plastics, which method is not applicable, which is EDM. In ultrasonic machining process, material removal rate will be higher for material with which is a lower toughness. During calculation of material removal rate in electro discharge machinery, supply voltage was used 60 volt in place of actual supply voltage 40 volt. Condition for maximum power delivery to the discharge circuit is satisfy the rate of actual to calculated material removed rate will be, which is a 4/9. कैसे निकला? MRR actual upon MRR calculated. करके आप 4/9 आ जाएगा, ठीक है। द मेटल इज इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल मशीनिंग प्रोसेस रिमूव बाय माइग्रेशन ऑफ आयन टुवर्ड द टूल। The tools material generally used in electro discharge machining are copper, brass, mild steel, hence 1 and 2 are true. The dielectric fluid used in electro discharge machining is which is a kerosene. In electro discharge machining, best surface finish will be obtained at with high frequency and low discharge current. The most important parameter for EDM is which is the thermal capacity. Consider the following workplace material: glass, carbide, copper, ceramic, and first, second, and fourth is correct. ठीक है. In electrochemical machining process, the following electrolytic is used, which is a brine solution. For drill deep holes of a small diameter of electric discharge machining, the tool is made up of the tungsten wire. In spark machining, erosion takes place, which is one the job. The electric discharge machining, which is the surface finishing at high discharge frequency, is good. Which of the following process is the reverse of electroplating, which is the EC electroplating, ECE, which is electrochemical machining. In ultrasonic machining, a tool oscillation at the frequency of which is 20 kilohertz. In an electrochemical machining, the gap between the tools and work is kept equal to which is the 0.75 mm. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट हम पार्ट थर्ड में कवर करेंगे, ठीक है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब दी चैनल.